really great way for us to be a part of the wider community in housekeeping and recognise all the different aspects and different parts and teams that go into what makes housekeeping so great. It's recognition for the teams that you don't see every day and that are in the background and are unseen by the guests every day and go into making everybody's perfect stay and giving them the recognition that they deserve.
I believe that housekeeping is the backbone of every hotel, healthcare. They work very hard and you have to love what you do to work in those departments. Good luck, I wish you all the best, and whoever wins, I'm sure you deserve it.
Housekeeping is one of those underrated businesses in hospitality. I've been in hospitality a long time, and I think often our housekeepers get overlooked in all sorts of aspects of the jobs that we do in hotels every day. And today for us as Omni Group, it's a real opportunity to celebrate the success of all these wonderful housekeepers out there. Good luck to all the finalists. You are a huge bunch of wonderful people. Congratulations on getting to the finalists. Win or lose, what an achievement. Congratulations to all of you.
Well, we have done it last year as well, and we see it as a very important thing because we love to support housekeeping and people talents. Well, it's a kind of motivation as well, and what we do for them, it shows them that they really matter and that the most important part of the business.
You're all amazing. To be nominated is a privilege. There is not one winner. You're all amazing, and congratulations to you all.